tree. Five little frogs say ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Jump so high, can you jump like that? Whoa. Splash in the water, flip and flip. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Four little frogs in the soft green grass. One hopped off to let a beetle pass. Ribbit! Mama frog winked, where can he be? Now three little frogs sing happily. Five little frogs say ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Jump so high, can you jump like that? Whoa. Splash in the water, flip and flip. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Three little frogs in the warm spring sun. One saw a bug and away he run. Ribbit! Mama frog laughed so fast and free. Now two little frogs by the old oak tree. Two little frogs playing peek-a-boo. One hid under a leaf of blue. Ribbit! Mama frog smiled, where could you be? Now one little frog giggles, look at me. One little frog feeling kind of small jumped back home when he heard her call. Ribbit! Mama frog hugged, now all can stay. Five little frogs sing hip hooray. Five little frogs say